Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever walked into a kitchen that instantly felt elegant and luxurious? Surprisingly, it wasn't always because the homeowner spent hundreds of thousands of dollars. In 2026, the most beautiful kitchens are all about smart design choices, quality materials, warm colors, and timeless details. Today, we're exploring the top modern kitchen design trends that make any kitchen look more expensive. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or simply looking for inspiration, these ideas can help you create a kitchen that's stylish, functional, and built to stand the test of time. Let's dive in. Open layouts create a luxury feel. One of the biggest trends in 2026 is the open concept kitchen. Luxury kitchens no longer feel closed off from the rest of the home. Instead, they flow naturally into the dining and living areas, creating a brighter and more welcoming environment. A spacious kitchen island becomes the heart of the room. It provides additional storage, a place for family and friends to gather, and extra space for meal preparation. Even if your kitchen is small, adding a peninsula or a compact island can dramatically improve both function and style. The goal is to create a kitchen that feels open, practical, and inviting. Warm cabinet colors replace cold white. For many years, bright white kitchens dominated interior design. While white remains popular, the trend has shifted toward warmer tones. Soft white, cream, beige, greige, and natural oak cabinets are becoming the new favorites. These colors create warmth while still keeping the kitchen bright and modern. Natural wood cabinetry, especially white oak and walnut, adds texture and character that painted cabinets often can't achieve. Two-tone cabinets are another designer favorite. Pairing light upper cabinets with darker lower cabinets creates depth and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Luxury countertops make a big difference. Countertops are one of the first features people notice in a kitchen. Quartz continues to be the top choice because it's durable, low maintenance, and available in stunning marble-inspired designs. Marble remains a symbol of timeless luxury, especially when paired with soft veining and neutral cabinetry. Another trend gaining popularity is the waterfall island, where the countertop material flows seamlessly down both sides of the island. This simple design feature instantly gives the kitchen a custom, high-end appearance. Layered lighting changes everything. Lighting has the power to transform an ordinary kitchen into a luxurious one. Instead of relying on a single ceiling fixture, designers recommend using multiple layers of lighting. Pendant lights above the island create a beautiful focal point. Under cabinet LED lighting adds warmth while making food preparation easier. Recessed ceiling lights provide overall brightness, while decorative sconces or table lamps add a cozy atmosphere. Warm white lighting is replacing cool blue lighting because it makes kitchens feel more comfortable and inviting. Style like a designer. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is overcrowding their countertops. Luxury kitchens are carefully styled with only a few meaningful accessories. Wooden cutting boards leaning against the backsplash create warmth. A ceramic vase with fresh flowers or olive branches adds life and elegance. A bowl of lemons or green apples introduces natural color. Organizing a coffee station on a wooden tray with matching mugs keeps everything neat and stylish. Remember, less is often more. As we've seen today, creating a kitchen that looks expensive doesn't always require an enormous budget. By focusing on thoughtful layouts, warm cabinet colors, quality countertops, layered lighting, smart storage, and simple styling, you can transform your kitchen into a space that feels elegant, welcoming, and timeless. The best kitchens aren't the ones with the highest price tags, they're the ones designed with care and attention to detail. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which trend is your favorite? Do you prefer warm white cabinets, natural wood finishes, waterfall islands, or designer lighting? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more modern home decor inspiration, luxury kitchen ideas, and the latest interior design trends. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Home beautiful kitchens begin with timeless design, not just a bigger budget.